Hello everyone. Here I go with the DraftSight image tracer. First I'll attach the image. I'll go with attach and image. I'll select the image from the location. So this is the image which I want to trace. These are the default things. You can set it up however you want. Right now I'll just use the manual scaling. Then I'll go to Power Tools and I'll select Image Tracer and I'll select the image which I want to trace. Once this is done, click on green check. You can move your image. You can even delete this if you want. Now here I just want to add a line exactly at the center. I'll hover on it to get the center point. So I'll drag a line like this. Then I'll frame. I'll use the power frame. Go to home. From there I'll select power frame to remove all the edges which I don't want. Now enter to continue the same tool, otherwise you go to image tracer again and remove the edges. Okay, I'm done with this. Can delete that extra portion. And this by holding the shift I'll convert to 3D and then I'll switch to 3D modeling, DraftSight 3D modeling, and from this I'll choose revolve and I'll define this as my axis. I'll click on OK. Specify the end of axis, this. Specify the revolution 360. So that is done. If I activate, let me just redo it. I'll go with revolve. Specify the entities to revolve. I need to select all the entities, so select all and enter and specify the axis here. Let me just specify the axis. From here to here is my axis of rotation. Angle is about 360. Yep. Thank you for watching.